This is the Sabino Canyon Recreation Area, and we have not been here before. And the nice thing is that this is a national recreation area, which means we can buy a pass if we're senior citizen, but we have already bought our pass, and at the time we bought it, you paid $10, and it was good for the rest of your life unless you lost it. The one now is $20 a year, and once you get up to $80, then you can turn it in and get the pass that's good for the rest of your life. Good deal, $20 a year, or you could go and pay the $80 and have it also.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.